Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing something a little interesting. And I got this for outdoor use, so I'm very excited to see how this works. This is an electric shock-proof surge protector. It's 6 feet long. You get 3 surge protectors with a switch, and it's waterproof. So, we got this for outdoor use. Now, it's not going to be setting directly outdoor. We got this to set underneath an area that once in a while could get, rain hit it. It's electric shock proof, water resistant, sparking arc proof, overload protection, high level flame retardants. Let's get unboxing. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. So, this is it. Very simple. Oh wow, it even comes with a direct tester. That is really cool. Yeah, this is really nice. Nice design. Oh, we're gonna hang this up as well. So yeah, overall, I'm extremely happy with this. And I can give it a 7 out of 10 so far. Shall we test it out with some water? Hold on, guys. Let's try the 4-prong. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, so we have to use the 4-prong. It looks like those other I think it did say in the listing that you can't use the certain ones, which is fine because we're using these. So let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, water's in, it's not short-circuiting it. Plenty of water's going in there. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this out. Plug it in, the one with water. We just plugged it directly in, the one that has water inside. No issue whatsoever, shaking it up. It's working perfectly. Good, this is going to work perfect for what we want. I can give it I could say, because it only works with certain type of plug, like the 3-prong plugs, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. But yeah, it does its job. Turn it off, turn it on, perfectly. Yeah, it gets a 7 to 8 out of 10.